when you're currently recording the Fenty Beauty matte lipstick and you're doing swatches. And this is Clapback. It looks so good!
Blow it up, that's how we fall out. That's how we fall out. That's how we fall out.
Hey guys, it's Valerie here. So in this video, I'm going to be recording some lip swatches. Swatching some of the Fenty Beauty matte lipsticks that I have. 5 of them. I'm so happy. Like, these were expensive. They were $18 each. I know that she tried to make them as reasonable as possible, but I'm a broke bitch. And I just realized, shout out to my mom's friend, Widor, for buying me these lipsticks. She gave me $50 towards buying 5 of these lipsticks. I have the packaging also. I just removed them from the packaging to make the video go a little bit quicker. This is how the packaging looks like for the Fenty. I love the way they look too. It's just so freaking cute. I love it. I tried to get all cute and special because what if she picks my video to be on Instagram? But you know, look cute. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is Single. How you know I'm single? Is this gonna help me find a boyfriend? Because if so, let's try it. That's so why you name it single? Now all the single bitches out here gonna be feeling some type of way. Oh, the packaging just looks like this for the lipsticks. It says Fenty Beauty on it. And they look like this. When you open it, it's very sleek. So you have this much product. It's really good. Rihanna just knew that I was single, so she made one just for me. Alright, let's see what Single does. My thoughts, you need to top this with some type of lip liner. You can't go out the house like this. Do not put the lipstick on and go out like this because it's called Single and I have a feeling that's why you're going to be single because you're going out like this. It's a very pretty color. It's really cute. It will look good with a brown lip liner or red lip liner. Something really cute. You can get away with. I'm not doing these in any particular order, by the way. And this video may be short because I only have 5 because look how many for all of that. Order, I'm just gonna grab the next one, and this is Clapback. Oh yeah, this one is Clapback. I love Clapback, and I haven't even tried it on yet, but it looks so freaking good on Rihanna, and it looks so good on every skin tone, so I'm excited to try this. Ooh, I like this. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at it. This is so edgy, like an edgy look. Stick and you're doing swatches, and this is Clapback. It looks so good. I'm about to grab the next one. And then next one is what is this? Up to No Good. All right. So this one, again, I would think that I need to top this off with some lip liner. Yeah, this is Up to No Good for sure. This, you need a lip liner. I'm going in with Candy Venom. I think I'm gonna like this. I think it's like a red pink. Right, it's pink. Holy fuck. Alright. Honestly, I don't think it's that bad to go out just like this with it. This is really cute. I would actually go outside like this. You can do a really fun look with this, so yeah. So I'm just gonna go in with the last color, PMS. I feel like I should add some chapstick. It's so dry. I don't like dry lips. I don't know how people do that, like with the dry cracked lips. I just love PMS because it's like a rich dark brown. I really do like it, and it just looks so good on my skin tone. Like, I look like a fresh piece of Hershey chocolate. I look good. But this color reminds me of something my sister would wear because she just loves dark brown. She does it with everything. So out of the 5 that I absolutely love, I love Clapback, I love PMS, and I love Candy Venom. Up to No Good and Single you need a lip liner with. So I love these lipsticks so much. Although they're matte, they have hydration and it feels so good on my lips. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything. And when I rub my lips, I seriously feel hydration. Like, it's not dry to the point where I feel my lips are peeled. I don't feel that. And girl, Rihanna, you did that once again. So yeah, that's basically it. So stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.